les énages, encore à s'appeler, et voir toujours briller les éternels portiques où des pieds même apparaît la splendeur. Honneur à toi, glorieux de la salle, apôtre des enfants et gardien de la foi, vainqueur de l'ignorance, à l'âme si fatale. Honneur à toi, honneur à toi.
Oh, I don't think they'll mind.
But what will you do with the money you still have?
Our work needs it. For the poor. There are so many of them.
You cannot blame yourself for that. It's not your fault.
No, and it's not their fault that they're hungry. Nor that the plague is at the gates of the city.
Still, don't give up your house and all your wealth.
Dear Uncle, real wealth is the ability to think and feel. Not being possessed by possessions. To give, to receive, to reason. Children know this. There's no class distinction among them. If I can open their minds and let the sun enter in, if enough of us can do this, if we can reach past the boundaries marked rich and poor, if we can open their minds to this light, the world will become a brighter place, closer to peace, closer to human fraternity.
Sure you don't intend to challenge their authority, Monsieur de La Salle. I hope you haven't come as an enemy.
Whose enemy? I'm no one's enemy. But I am the children's friend.